How to install Twitch app on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. To guide you through the process of installing the Twitch app on Windows 11, let's start by launching your preferred web browser and conducting a simple search for Twitch. Once you do that, you will come across various websites from where you need to go to the official one that is indicating Twitch, www.twitch.tv. Click on it. The page may take a bit of time to load, so patience is key here. As the web page begins to load, direct your attention to the top section where you will spot three small dots in the top right corner. Click on it. Go all the way down and click on Save and Share. Upon selecting this, another menu will emerge. Proceed by choosing Create Shortcut option and click on it. A dialog box will appear on your screen, allowing you to customize the shortcut's name if you wish. Now tick this box of Open as a window and then click on Create button. Now in no time, you will witness a preview of the shortcut you've just created. Now when you navigate back to your desktop, a convenient Twitch shortcut will be waiting for you, ready to launch the application with ease. So by following the straightforward steps, you've successfully set up the Twitch app on your Windows 11 system. The process may seem simple, and that's because it is. Hopefully, this detailed explanation has been beneficial to you. Thank you for taking the time to follow along with these instructions. See you in the next one.